In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications for Outlook in just a few minutes. Keeping notifications enabled ensures you never miss an important email or update, whether you're working on multiple projects or managing school assignments. Start by opening your browser and going to the Outlook login page. Sign in with your email and password to access your inbox. Next, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings, then select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. Navigate to General, and then click Notifications. Here you can enable the alerts you want for incoming emails and calendar events. Make sure to toggle them on according to your preferences. Don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully turned on notifications in Outlook, helping you stay informed and on top of your emails and schedules. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Outlook tips.